Hello food lovers from around the world and welcome to today's video, which won't be a recipe as you're used to, but an unboxing of the Philips Viva pasta maker I recently got. We will see what comes with the machine, take it out, wash the parts and assemble it back. I will also share with you my first impression as I got to extract a few times with it. So the first thing you see when opening the box is the instruction manual and then this tool which has two jobs. One is to cut the pasta to the desired length while it's extruding, and second to clean the die with those short needles on the sides. Then a cleaning brush and two dies for fettuccine and penne. The third one is installed on the machine already and that one is for spaghetti. Let's take the machine out now. I chose this specific model because it's compact and doesn't take lots of space on my counter and in the cupboard. We also don't eat a ton of pasta, so it is just perfect for our needs. Here we have a plastic container for liquids with two sides. One side is for when we use eggs in the recipe and the second is for when we don't. We also get a cup for dry ingredients such as flour or semolina. These are handy, but I recommend getting a kitchen scale for more accuracy. Next, we have a beautiful little booklet with instructions and also recipes. I love how colorful this is and it has quite a few pasta recipes in. Now for the machine. Before using it, we need to wash all the components with warm soapy water. This is the lid which has these two holes to pour the liquid slowly through. Then this little drawer which can hold your extra dyes while not in use. I love the idea of it. While I take it apart, I will tell you a little about my experience with it so far. I haven't gotten the chance to use it a lot as after I got it we went on a long vacation, but the few times I used it, it worked okay. I say okay because it definitely has a learning curve if you're used to making pasta by hand or a manual machine. You will be tempted to add more liquids to the dough than what the recipe is asking for, and then you'll mess it up. The dough won't actually be a dough at all, more of a wettish flour that looks like sand spinning around. And that's exactly what it should look like. But not being used to it, I added more liquid and then it wouldn't extrude. It can be fixed though by adding more dry ingredients. In the end, it worked out fine and I was able to get a few different pasta batches that I dried on a wire rack and which I will be using in the future. If you are interested in making your own pasta, make sure you subscribe and follow as I will be sharing some good recipes in the future once I nail it down. The process is easy and straightforward. You add your measured dry ingredients in the container, you turn the machine on, and the paddles will start spinning. Then you slowly pour your wet ingredients through the lid. The machine will mix everything together and then start extruding by itself when the cycle is over. You need to be next to it at that time to cut your pasta to the desired length with the plastic tool. That's it. Then you've got fresh pasta that boils in no more than 3 or 4 minutes. The machine is really easy to put together and install. Most of its components are dishwasher safe, but I found that the die is a little annoying to clean and it does take some time to get all the dough out of those little holes. It is best to let it soak before washing it. Also, there are a lot more pasta dies out there that you can order extra if you want different shapes. I recommend you start with the ones your machine comes with and get the recipe right before jumping into buying new dies as it can get addictive. Here is the machine next to my mock meal just to have an idea of how big it is, which is not big at all. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video and I will see you again next time. Bye!